Hello friends, I welcome you to today's tutorial. Today we are going to look at the settings sheet. What actually entails at the settings sheet. And so let's set the ball rolling. This is the settings sheet. Now for this settings sheet, it contains some basic information that we need on the report cards. You get it? Some information we need on the report card. For example, the class, the term or semester, the number on roll, the school contact, the municipal, and those stuffs. And so let's leave this top space. Let's leave this top space and let's come here. Let's start with this. Okay, let's do it in the middle. Okay, so we are going to start with the class. So let's write the class stroke 4. We are doing for GHS, so let me merge and center this. Okay, so let's copy format painter GHS1 GHS1. The reason is that since we are doing for both classes, we just need to write it. Okay, so we need 3. Okay, we need 3. So we just need 3. Let me do this again. Okay, it's okay. Let me add another one. Okay. Then let's format painter. So we just select this, then we give it a border. Okay, we just give it a border. So the class of form. Then we go to the term or semester. That one too. Let's merge and center this. So term or semester. Term or semester. Okay. So that one we need 3. That one too, we need 3. So let's just copy this. Let's paste it here. Okay. Let's paste it here. Let's delete this. Okay. Then let's add another box. Okay, so term or semester. As usual, let me pick my font first. You know my font already. I like working with Arial. Okay. So just for that let's delete it. Okay, so that is that. Now we go to number on row. Let's copy this and paste it here. You see, you can design it to suit your own. I'm just number on row. Then we paste again. Copy. Paste here again. What do you think we should write here? Let's say school contact. The school contact can only be 1 because it will appear on all the other sheets. So we can just make it only this one. Okay, the school contact. Then probably we have let's say academic here. That one should come here. Academic here should come here. The academic here will come here. Merge and center. Bolden it. So that one too, let's merge and center this. The academic here too will also be the same. Okay, so let's come to this part and let's write the municipal or district. That one too, it will be the same. let me just copy this and paste it here. Municipal or district. Let me add one extension. Another extension. Then let's give it a border. Okay, municipal or district. Then we talk about the region. Okay, the region where the school is located. So let me pick this one. Copy. Bring it here. Region. The region. Then the region, what again do we have? Let's add total attendance. Let's copy this and bring it here. Total attendance. The total attendance of student. Then let's come down here and let's add more. Okay, so we have the school address. So let's merge and center this. The school address. So for the school address, it will be the same with all the classes. So let's give it a border. The school address. Then the school motto. Let's copy this. The school motto. Of the school motto. So motto. School motto. For the school motto, let's extend it because maybe some of the school motto will be a little bit. So the school motto, let's give it a border. Then after the school motto, we have reopening date. So let's copy this one because reopening date. As for reopening date. Then let's come here and write closing. That is vacation date. You see, you can arrange it any style that you want. I've just mixed it up. Then let me add email. Let me use this for the email. School email address. Then the school name. You see, I'm just messing it up. School name. Okay, so that is that. The school name. Bold. Just add some formatting. Bold. Okay, bold. But then you can just select all and come to view and remove the grid lines. Okay, so that we have something like this. I've just removed the grid lines, so we have something like this, so that we work with a plane. Okay, so that is that. What again? Let's left with the school content and everything. Okay, the subject. So subject. Give it a border. Match subjects. Okay. Subject. So the subject has to be written accordingly. So we have the subject English language. Okay, let me so the subject 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I had some emergency, so let's continue. Let's continue. So subjects, these are the things that we, okay, so we have English. We will list the subject here. Okay, so mathematics, then integrated science, then social, then RME. Okay, let me make it ICT because in our this thing we use ICT. Then let's check how we did it here. ICT RME, BDT. Okay, so ICT RME BDT, that's how we named it. ICT RME BDT. Then Ghanaian language. Then we have French. Okay, so these are the subject 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are some things we will do later on. Okay, now let's go to the class teachers information and the head teachers information. So for the class teachers information, we will need let's copy this. No, let's copy this. Let's copy this. Okay, so class teachers information. For that one we need, let's say 3. Okay, then let's format painter. Okay, so let me do this. We just need to write here name. Okay, then we merge and center this. Bring it here. Like this. Okay, let's make this. Now come here and do this. Okay, so contact. Okay, then let's merge and bring it to the left side. Okay, bold. So that will be here, and the name also be here. Okay, so we can just copy this. Let's bring it here. No, let's cut it because yes. Let's cut this. Let's Ctrl X and bring it here. Yes. Later I'll do that. Okay. Let's match this one too. Let's match it. This one too. Let's match it. one too. Let's merge it and bring it here. This is merged already. This is merged already. So this one will be okay. Let's merge this, right? GHS1. GHS1. Okay, so this for GHS1. Let's give it a border. So let's give it a border. Good. This is for GHS1. So let's copy the whole of this and bring it here. Let's bring it down here. GHS2. So this will be GHS2. Okay. This is for the GHS2. Let's bring it here. GHS3. That's for the GHS3 teacher. Then we just copy this. Come here. Paste for the head teachers. Head teachers information. Okay, so this is what we have. Let's bold. Okay, you can add to it. Let's select this. Come to fill color and give it a color. Then we change it to white. Okay, we just format. We paste it. Format painter. Okay, format painter. You see, you can make different colors. You can use different colors, but then you just don't want to waste time. Okay, merge. Okay, format painter. Then we do that. So I'm just doing it for all. I've just completed. So this one too, you just change the colors. So as I said, you design it to suit your own taste. Okay, to suit your own taste. Let me reduce so that we can see. You see how it is. So you can just design it to suit your own taste. And so we are going to provide a lot of stars in here. So the class of form, you have GHS1 to GHS3. We're going to use what we call the data validation. So I select this, I come to data, then I come to data validation, and then I go to list. So I want GHS1, GHS2, GHS3. Okay, then so I click here. You have to select. Okay, so I can just copy paste and paste it so that it will have the same. Okay, so you just pick. Okay, this one to the term or semester. So come to list. Okay, so term or semester is here. Term 1, term 2. But then let us not use. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4. Let's end it at 4. So okay. So GHS1. Okay. So each of this. Okay, so that is that. Number on row for both GHS1 and so it means I have to do something here. See it will work. GHS1, GHS2, GHS3. Get it? So let me add it. Good. So GHS1, GHS2, GHS3. So it applies to all of this, all of this. So let me just make outside border, so you know that it applies to all of this. Okay, good. It applies to all of this. Let me shift this. Let me shift this one here. Shift it there a bit. Good. Okay. So since we are just doing the interfaces, let me leave the ads. Okay, let me try and add all. That academic here to you, right? Municipal to you. After the region, you have to state the 16 regions that we have so that you can select from. But then you can write it. The total attendance too. We'll work on that. The school address, the school motto, the reopening date, vacation date, email address, school name, and this one too, you provide them. So because this is the interface will be for the settings. Let's select all. Let me go to fill color and change the background. Let's maintain white, but then you can change the background, because if you change the background, it will affect everything here. Okay, so you can just change it and modify it for your own benefit. You can just do it the way you like it. Okay, but for mine, this is how I just want it. So we are done with the interface. Let's hide it. So this is how the interface will be. Interface. For here, I'll be putting tabs here. Why I left this place to be blank like this. I'm putting some tabs there. Let me shift this one a bit. Yes, still I'll have to do it again because of cells. Let me send it to the middle. Rather. Okay, middle rather. So let's show tabs. Emergence center. I hope you are following. Okay, so we did this for the setting speech. Okay, this is for the setting speech. So we need this basic information to appear on the report card. The set speech. Okay, we can just give a border around it. Something like this. Select the whole of this. Okay, then we come to outside borders. Okay, we just outside border. So, something like this. This is the setting speech. So we are done. We shall meet another time and continue with the tutorials. If you have any comment, write it at the comment section side on my YouTube channel.